entrance of the Queen 2024, Queen Rizalidel E. Callao. Siya ay pangalawa sa mga anak ni Ginoong Jane Ontolan at Gina B.D. Fabila. Ipinanganak noong October 1, 2008 at kasalukuyan grade 12 student. Her ambition is to become a doctor someday. Our second princess, Martibay Camila Montula. Our first princess dreamed to become a nurse. She is a brilliant student of Cagayancillo National High School. Ipinanganak noong May 31, 2011. Siya ay anak ni Ginoong Albert Bungard and Nancy Gapos. Our first princess is Rizabel Gapos Bungard. And this is Betty Cardinal. Next is the entrance of the sauce bearer. Our sauce bearer is no other than Jide Nomi P. Inahides. A baker learner of Santa Cruz. He is the youngest son of Mr. Christopher Villa and Mrs. Rosalie Fabila. Highest ruler of his kingdom marched to the throne. It is but proper that they be showered with flowers. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we have now the entrance of the flower girls. Our flower girls are Jonah Asti G. Conte. Siya ay panganay na anak ni Ginoong John Anthony Conte at Gina Anastasia Gapulao. Anabella G. Condesa, anak ni Ginoong Steve Condesa at Ana Rose Gapulao. Asia Brenda Novan, anak ni Ginoong Giovanni Novan at Gloribel Bonales. The entrance of Her Majesty Queen Diana